Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing assets and a quick routine. Pick a clear profile photo and write a punchy bio so people recognize you instantly. Once done, choose 20 to 30 accounts that match your audience and commit to engaging with them each day. That builds reciprocity. Then create 3 to 5 snap themes, fun, behind the scenes, quick tips, so you always have content ready. This lays the groundwork for consistent reach and makes the first outreach efficient and repeatable. You now scale by batching and diversifying your messages. Send 50 to 100 well-targeted snaps per week using those themes, but vary language so it feels personal. Make sure to include interactive elements, polls, stickers, short CTAs, to increase replies and time spent on your content. Once you have momentum, schedule content blocks and batch create 10 to 20 snaps at a time. That keeps frequency high without burning you out. This middle phase is about consistent value and lowering friction for people to respond. You finish by measuring what worked and optimizing. Check reply and open rates, then double down on the themes and tones that drove the most interactions so you get more snaps organically. If reach suddenly drops, refresh your visuals, tweak captions, and shift posting times to test different windows. That often fixes algorithmic or fatigue issues. Finally, maintain a one-to-one follow-up routine for people who engage, because personal replies convert casual viewers into repeats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.